Hello guys, I've got a few tips for you how to make your hair grow faster naturally. Tip number 1. Skip daily washing. Washing the hair daily deprives hair of natural oils, whereas washing your hair 2 or 3 times a week, or even once a week, causes the natural oils penetrate your hair and keeps moisture in it. Tip number 2. Avoid heat styling. The best way for your hair to dry is naturally, which means not blow drying or using hair straighteners. If your hair is damaged and doesn't look good when you let it dry naturally, and it looks frizzy, put it on rollers for a couple of hours after washing. When your hair dries on big rollers, it looks smooth and healthy because its structure is evened out. Tip number 3. Stop using hair conditioners. I've heard this advice from one of my friends who has hip-length hair. A few years ago, I asked her what to do to promote hair growth, and she told me to stop using hair conditioners by all means. When you use a hair conditioner after washing your hair, it feels nice as you can comb the hair easily. However, they contain silicone and polymer coatings and make your hair more fragile. My hair got also greasy quicker when I used conditioners. As a result, you have to wash your hair more often. Your hair is more brittle and dehydrated. You get split ends, so your hair can never reach a greater length. Tip number 4. Rinse your hair with cold water. Did you know that hot water deprives the hair of moisture and weakens it, making it more susceptible to breakage? Therefore, you should wash your hair with lukewarm water only. Never use scorching hot water. After washing, finish it off with a cold water rinse. It is not the nicest feeling to have cold water running on your head, but it makes your hair shiny and healthy looking. Why does it work? Because it seals the cuticles and strengthens the hair. It is also easier to comb the hair when you give it a cold rinse. Tip number 5. Use quality hairbrush. Use a high quality brush. Boar bristle brushes are supposed to be the best ones as they don't damage the hair while brushing. They don't tear the hair and don't split it. However, use it on dry hair only, never after washing. On wet hair, it can cause breakage. Everyday brushing. Brush your hair twice a day, in the morning and then before you go to bed. Brushing detangles the hair and increases blood circulation, which promotes hair growth. Brushing wet hair after washing. When you brush your hair after washing, use Tangle Teaser. It is the best brush that detangles the hair very gently, so you won't pluck too many hairs. We want to keep as much hair on the head as possible, right? Tip number 6. Massage your scalp. What always works very well if you want to support your hair growth is massage. You have to massage your scalp with certain remedy. The massage itself is very beneficial because it supplies the scalp with blood and makes the hair grow faster. There are many products on the market. Some work better, some worse. I've got the best experience with tea tree oil and castor oil. Make sure you use these oils in a mixture with coconut oil, olive oil or jojoba oil to prevent irritation. So these were my 6 tips how to make your hair grow faster. I added all these tips to my hair routine and it helped me get a real long hair, as you can see on the picture. I'm sure it will help you too. And if you liked the video, leave a like or subscribe to the channel. I'll be coming with more tips soon.